very good morning, dear children. Today we'll study our history fifth lesson, the foundation of the Swaraj. In this lesson, we'll study how Shivaji Maharaj founded the Hindvi Swaraj in Maharashtra. In the first half of the 17th century, an epoch-making personality emerged in Maharashtra, that is Shivaji Maharaj. In first half of the 17th century, an epoch means a period of time in history that is important because of the special event or characteristic, that was Shivaji Maharaj. He established Swaraj by challenging the unjust ruling powers there, and Shivaji Maharaj was born at the Shivneri fort near Junnar in Pune district on the day of Falgun Vadya Tritiya in the Shaka year 1551, that is on 19 February 1630. In this chapter, we will study how he founded Swaraj. Now we'll study how he founded the Swaraj. Shahaji Raje, the father of Shivaji Maharaj, was a preeminent Sardar in the Deccan. The Mughals had launched a campaign to conquer the Nizam Shahi kingdom. The Adil Shah of Bijapur allied with the Mughals in this campaign. Shahaji Maharaj did not wish the Mughals to get an entry into the south. He was not wished that Mughal should enter in the south. So he tried to save Nizam Shahi by offering stiff resistance to the Mughals. But he could not withstand the combined might of the Mughal and Adil Shah. The Nizam Shahi was defeated and came to an end in 1636. He tried to avoid Mughals to enter in south, but even though he couldn't withstand the combined might of the Mughal and Mughals of the Adil Shah, and thus Nizam Shahi defeated and came to an end in 1636. After Nizam Shahi was wiped out, Shahaji Raje became a Sardar of the Adil Shah of Bijapur. The region comprising Pune, Supe, Indapur and Chakan Parganas located between the Bhima and Nira rivers was vested in Shahaji Raje as a Jagir. So, these all Parganas, that is Pune, Supe, Indapur and Chakan Parganas, were under the control of Shahaji Raje as a Jagir. This was continued by the Adil Shah, and he also granted the Jagir of Bengaluru and the neighboring areas in Karnataka to Shahaji Raje. And this way Adil Shah also granted Jagir of Bengaluru and the neighboring areas of Karnataka to Shahaji Raje because of his bravery. Shahaji Raje was valiant, courageous, intelligent and a great political expert, and just like Shivaji Maharaj, his father was also a very valiant means full of courage, who was not afraid of anything, and he was courageous means very brave, intelligent and great political expert. He was an excellent archer. He was also an expert in using the sword, patta and spear. He loved his subjects. He was also very fond of his people, and he was loving his subjects. He had won many regions in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. South India was in awe of him, and this way this south side of the people, they were having the feeling of respect, either fear or admiration. Awe means the people, those who are having the feeling of respect, that will be maybe because of fear or because of admiration. While Shivaji and Jijabai were at Bengaluru, he had arranged for providing excellent education to Shivaji, so as to enable him to become a king. So when Shivaji, when he was in south, that time he arranged excellent education to Shivaji because he was knowing that one day Shivaji will become a king and he established his own Swaraj. He himself aspired to establish Swaraj by ousting the powers of foreign people. That's why he is known as Swaraj Visionary. It means from beginning he was also having a dream that he will establish his own Swaraj in Maharashtra by ousting the powers of foreign people. So because of that he was known as the Swaraj Visionary. He sent Shivaji and Jijabai from Bengaluru to Pune and with loyal and competent associates. So for this purpose he sent Shivaji Maharaj and Jijabai from Bengaluru to Pune with his loyal people. Veer Mata Jijabai, she was the daughter of great Sardar Lakhuji Raje Jadhav of Sindhkhed Raja in Buldhana district. At a very young age, she had received military training as well as education in various subjects. Even as a woman, she was also very brave, and from very young age, she had received military training, education in various subjects. And she helped and encouraged Shahaji Raje to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. As a wife, she also helped Shahaji Maharaj to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. She was a competent and visionary political expert. She constantly guided Shivaji in the mission of establishing Swaraj. At times, she undertook the task of giving verdicts of resolving the problems of people. She was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji. She instilled him values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, and fearlessness. From Shivaji's childhood only, as a mother, she played a very important role. She instilled him so many good values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, and fearlessness. Modesty, you know the meaning of modesty. The meaning of modesty is politeness. And oratory, the meaning of oratory is to the art or skill of powerful and effective public speaking. And vigilance meaning carefulness. So this way very many great values she instilled in Shivaji Maharaj as a mother. She saw that he was trained in usage of weapons and inspired in him the will to win and the dream of the Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawal region. The Mawal terrain is full of hills and valleys and is not easily accessible, and this way Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding Swaraj in Mawal region. This Mawal region was a terrain, it means it was the place, land of the type which was mentioned that time. The Mawal terrain is full of hills and valleys and is not easily accessible. So this Mawal region was not possible to reach of the enemy. Shahaji Raje made use of these geographical features of Mawal very skillfully for the purpose of the foundation of Swaraj. So this way Shivaji Maharaj made use of this geographical, he was taken advantage of these geographical features of Mawal for the foundation of the Swaraj. He created a feeling of trust and affection in the minds of the people. Many companions and associates joined him in his work of founding the Swaraj. Among them there were Yeshaji Kank, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narhikar Deshpande brothers, Kauji Kondhalkar, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare, Kanhoji Jedhe, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, and Dadaji Narsa Prabhu Deshpande. On the strength of these associates, Shivaji Maharaj undertook the cause of the Swaraj. So, for founding the Swaraj, it was very important that he should get good companions, good associates for founding the Swaraj. For that work, his companions were Yeshaji Gang, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narhekar Deshpande brothers, Kauji Kandolkar, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusare, Kanhoji Jede, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, and Dadaji Narsa Prabhu Deshpande. These all were with Shivaji, and they were ready to